So in this video, I'll be showing you how to buy killers in Dead by Daylight. First, go ahead and open the game, then click on the Store tab on the left side of the screen. Once you're in the store, click on Killers, and this will show you the full list of available characters. From here, you can scroll through the entire list and take your time checking them out. If you click on a killer or hover over their profile, you'll be able to read their abilities and see how they play. You'll also see how many auric cells are needed to purchase each killer. So just make sure your auric cells are topped up before buying. You can also check out their bio to learn the full story behind the character, and even look at their stats if you want more details. And yeah, you can also buy customized skins for killers, which is a separate purchase. And that's basically how to buy killers in Dead by Daylight. Thank you for watching!